Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use ChatGPT to correct your spelling and grammar. This is very easy. You just want to open your ChatGPT, and then after that you want to type here, correct my spelling and grammar. Next to that you want to add this, okay, this one, as you can see, these two dots. I don't know the name of these two dots. Now after that, space, and then add the text that you want ChatGPT to correct. Okay, let's say that I want to correct this text. I'm going to click Ctrl+C and I'm going to paste it here. As you can see, you want to type in correct my spelling and grammar, these two dots, and then hello guys, and then click enter, and hello ChatGPT will correct your mistakes. So that's exactly guys how you can use ChatGPT to correct your spelling and your grammar. This is the correct one here. Paste it and then go back to that. So I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.